Tonight, businesses with more than 100 employees in Colorado Springs and across America are asking what the president's new vaccine mandate means to them and what happens if they don't comply.
The new rules force their workers to get vaccinated or get tested every week. KRDO News Channel 13 Scott Harrison is live on Cascade Avenue in the busy downtown business district. Scott.
Well, there is a growing number of those larger businesses you guys referred to here in the downtown area. And now Governor Jared Polis says the state and several larger private businesses are essentially already following the president's mandate. But there are questions tonight about who will enforce it, can it be enforced, and will employers or their workers have to pay for COVID testing? Sometimes COVID tests are free and sometimes they're not. Colorado's governor and affected larger employers want more clarity from the U.S. Labor Department about testing under the president's expanded pandemic mandate.
There's a very large number they threw out of tests that they have ordered. It seems beyond the number that would just be for the public sector or for the health need. So I am hopeful that out of that large number of tests that they've ordered, that will include availability for private employers who choose to implementing testing.
There's been talk of fines and other penalties for employers who don't comply with the president's mandate. The governor says he's waiting to hear more details, but he added that the state will not enforce a federal mandate. We contacted El Paso County Public Health and Colorado Springs Mayor John Suthers for their comments on this situation. The health department says, like the governor, it too is waiting for more direction and more specifics from the Labor Department. We had not heard back from the mayor by late Friday afternoon. Governor Polis says he realizes that whether or not to get vaccinated is a personal decision, but it's one that he hopes more people will make soon if the pandemic is to be brought under control. And the governor says he's also glad that the president's mandate will increase overall testing capability, but he says there's no timetable yet for that either. We'll keep you updated. We're live in downtown Colorado Springs tonight. Scott Harrison, KRDO News Channel 13.